If you need new gutters in Fortville, Indiana, you might consider a do-it-yourself installation. However, there are many problems that can come from an amateur job. They might work just fine, but if not installed by a professional, your gutters could be lacking the finishing touches that come from an expert installation. They might not protect your home like they should, and won't last quite as long. For many homeowners, the most obvious benefit of a professional installation is the aesthetics. There's nothing quite like gutters that have been flawlessly installed. They just look great. For others, the longevity of DIY installed gutters could be a concern. Your gutters might not be installed and fastened properly to your home if you do it yourself. They could easily be torn away from your home under harsh weather conditions. This can lead to water not being rerouted adequately from your home's roof. Luckily, Clemens Home Solutions offers complete gutter installation services in Hancock County. We guarantee your gutters always fit your home and look fantastic. If you've been looking for a reliable gutter contractor, you found the right team. Call Clemens Home Solutions today at 765-358-7535 for more information.